Ladies and gentlemen, these wonderful units will allow you to offer your clients luxurious and comfortable hair extensions without any damage, tearing, or pulling. Now we have very soft lace that is lined underneath so your client's scalp never touches the harder material outside. Since we have a larger opening, I'm going to take another paddle and put it over here on this side so she's fully protected. Take the corner of the prepared half closure and bring it forward about a 1/4 inch. You want to sew an inch in and then go to the other side and do the same. Clip this up and you're going to trim off the excess skin tone. When our hair grows so that this doesn't go back, what we're going to do is open up just about a 1/4 inch here. Keep your protective paddles there. We're going to now perform what is called the underneath knotting method. We're going to go ahead and close down the back. So we're not going to use this lace here. I'm going to tighten this up on both sides just a little bit more, and you can do that because you're tightening it on the hairline protector. If your client is comfortable with the elastic that we provide on the Weave Buddy, then go ahead and leave it because it will help for you to use it again when you redo your client. Because her hair is so short, she should be able to wear a low ponytail and still be able to cover.